On Sunday, November 14th in the afternoon, 42 youth and adults from St. Paul's High School and Spark Youth were out in Napoleon raking leaves. A total of 34 homes were raked for over 3 hours. The rake and run was open to any residents of Napoleon who were unable to rake their leaves. Leaves were raked to curves so they could be picked up this week, with piles being close to 4 feet high. This is the 12th consecutive year Spark has performed the rake and run. Spark is St. Paul's 7th and 8th grade youth ministry program. Spark has been around for almost 15 years. Spark stands for St. Paul's Redeemed Kids. Spark meets once a month for a variety of activities, from a harvest party, lock-ins, rake and run, making cards for service members, and shut-ins, as well as many other great events. One of the biggest and most popular Spark events is the Ohio District Junior High Gathering. Youth from across Ohio gather together for great speakers and fellowship. This year's gathering will be in Columbus with close to 1,000 youth attending. St. Paul Spark has almost 100% attendance rate for this great event. Spark's mission is to disciple youth through a parent and adult based on youth ministry program. Spark events are planned by the DCE with input from the youth and adults who are currently have youth in 7th and 8th grades. Events are led by the DCE and adults. Spark events are open to all 7th and 8th grade youth in the congregation, and youth are encouraged to bring friends too. If you would like to help with a Spark event or would like to support Spark's ministry, please contact the church office. Thank you for all your support and prayers. God bless.